Section 10.1 Motivation. Why do we do the things we do? Why do we study, work, eat, or help others? The answer lies in motivation, the wants or needs that direct behavior toward a goal. Motivation explains not just survival behaviors like eating, but also complex ones, like pursuing education or art. Psychologists study motivation to understand both its biological roots and its social and personal influences. In this lecture, we'll cover types of motivation, theories that explain it, and Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Intrinsic versus extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation comes from within. We do something because it's satisfying or enjoyable. Example, reading a novel because you love the story. Extrinsic motivation comes from outside rewards or pressures. Example, reading because there will be a quiz. Often, motivation is a mix of both. For instance, you might enjoy learning, intrinsic, but also want good grades, extrinsic. Research shows that extrinsic rewards can sometimes reduce intrinsic motivation. For example, someone who enjoys baking may feel less joy if they start doing it only for pay. Theories of motivation. Several theories try to explain why we're motivated. 1. Instinct theory suggests that behavior is driven by innate, unlearned patterns, instincts. Example, infants rooting for a nipple or birds migrating. Limit doesn't explain complex human behaviors well. 2. Drive reduction theory. We are motivated to reduce biological drives and restore homeostasis. Example, thirst motivates drinking, which restores balance. Strength explains survival needs well. Weakness doesn't explain behaviors that increase tension, e.g., thrill seeking. 3. Self-efficacy, Bandura. Motivation comes from our belief in our ability to succeed at a task. High self-efficacy, persistence and better performance. Example, a student confident in math is motivated to keep trying challenging problems. 4. Social motives. Humans are social creatures. Motives like achievement, affiliation, and power guide behavior. Example, working hard to gain recognition from peers or leaders. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Abraham Maslow proposed that human needs are arranged in a hierarchy, often shown as a pyramid. Physiological needs: food, water, warmth, rest. Safety needs: security, stability, protection, love, belonging, friendships, family, intimacy, esteem, achievement, respect, recognition. Self-actualization: reaching one's full potential, creativity, personal growth. The idea? We must meet lower-level needs before focusing on higher ones. Example, a hungry person will prioritize food over artistic expression. Critics note people sometimes pursue higher goals even when lower needs aren't met, e.g., artists in poverty still creating. But Maslow's framework remains influential in psychology, education, and business. Summary. Motivation can be intrinsic, internal satisfaction, or extrinsic, external rewards. Key theories include instincts, innate behaviors, drive reduction, restoring balance, self-efficacy, belief in one's ability, and social motives, achievement, affiliation, power. Maslow's hierarchy organizes human needs from basic survival to self-actualization. Closing thought. Think about your own life. Why are you here today? Are you studying because you genuinely love learning, because you want a career, or both? Understanding your motivations helps you set meaningful goals and sustain them over time.